बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि AI is going to replace humans and especially the programmers. But article published in April 2026 suggests that there has been a 30% surge in software development roles, the highest level of openings since 2023. Before going into why AI can replace programmers, first we have to understand the role of programmers in the software development industry. देखिए, प्रोग्रामर्स का काम सिर्फ कोड लिखना या फिर सिंटैक्स लिखना नहीं है। प्रोग्रामर्स का काम है टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम दे हैव बीन गिवन, टू अंडरस्टैंड द बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू and to design solutions to build a well and reliable software. Their work is to debug, find bugs and test the software at edge cases. देखिए, AI changes programming. It makes the work simple. It helps to break down the work. It reduces the need to write boilerplates, long lines of syntax and code debugging work. But there is more into programming. अगर क्लाइंट पूछता है कि हमें एक स्विगी जैसा ऐप बना के दो, but at lower cost, it is the programmer who understands the requirement, who asks questions, who plans the futures and chooses the right technology. AI cannot independently handle the entire process of the software development. देखिए, AI मिस्टेक करता है, हम सब लोगों को पता है. It makes a lot of mistakes. जब भी हम लोग असाइनमेंट सॉल्व कराते हैं, जब भी हम लोग कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, वो मिस्टेक कर ही देता है कुछ ना कुछ. इन सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट वो इनसिक्योर कोड लिख सकता है. He can use outdated servers and it can misunderstand prompts, which can make your software vulnerable to cyber attacks and cost millions to the companies. Communication is a big part in programming. While software development, programmers spends a lot of time talking to clients, discussing with teammates, reviewing the code. Programming is a collaborative job. अगर हम लोग इस पूरे प्रोसेस को बस AI को सौंप दे, then it can make a lot of mistakes. देखिए, कोड लिखने से पहले प्रोग्रामर डिसाइड करता है कि डाटाबेस स्ट्रक्चर कैसा होगा सॉफ्टवेयर का आर्किटेक्चर कैसा होगा एंड सिक्योरिटी लेवल कैसा होगा सॉफ्टवेयर का. एंड दिस डिसीजंस कम्स फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस. AI works much better when someone knows how to ask, how to refine the request and how to evaluate the output. That someone is often the programmer itself. In the end, the thing is AI won't replace the programmers, but programmers who use AI efficiently will replace the programmers who don't.